Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a DIY project planned. We are going to be taking a food cover and turning it into a light fixture. Now, the inspiration for this project came when I was just on Instagram and I saw a designer post a new fixture that she had bought, and it's a vintage pendant light. I did some digging only to come to find that it's quite expensive, around $4,000 to put a price on it. So I didn't really think much of it other than the fact that I liked it. And I happened to be out shopping with my mom and I came across this food cover and I thought, wow, this looks pretty much like the shape of that fixture. I wonder if I can make my own light fixture out of this. So here we are. I'm going to attempt to do that with you all watching me. And I'll show you what I bought to, turn this into an actual fixture. And, maybe this will just inspire somebody else to kind of think outside the box and see if you cannot do something like this as well. Let's get started. This is all of the products that I'm going to be using for the project. So I bought a light kit off an antique supply, and it came with the chain, the electrical part where the light bulb will go in, and the canopy, and also like the hardware for the canopy. I bought this lampshade kit from Amazon, and it actually came with the top and the bottom, so I'm only going to use this one here that has the cross wires here, and then obviously the food dome. And then I also got these S hooks, and that's what I'm going to use to attach this part inside the dome, and then we can put it all together. So step one will be to actually make the fixture, and then step two will be to install it. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is taking the lampshade ring and I'm putting it inside of the food dome, and I'm taking my S hooks and I'm going to go around on each one of those crossbars and attach it to the wire frame that is inside of the shade. I got lucky and they lined up perfectly with the frame, so I'm attaching those, and then I'm going to take some needle nose pliers and pinch that together to secure the hooks in place so the ring doesn't move around. Once that's nice and secure, I'm going to take the light socket with the wires and I'm going to put that through the underside of the lampshade holder and fish it through the center hole there. Next, I'm taking this ring and I'm also fishing the wires through that, and then this is going to attach to the light socket so it can be nice and tight and secured. The next step is going to be taking the metal chain and unlinking that so you can hook it onto the ring, and then clamping that back down so it's secure. And I don't want the wires to be separate from the chain, so I'm going to fish that through and lace it through each individual link. Once that's done, then you're pretty much done with making the light fixture, and we'll move on to installing it. The last part of the project is going to be installing the light fixture, and we are replacing our ceiling fan in our bedroom with the pendant. I'm not going to give a tutorial on this part because neither one of us are electricians. We have very minimal experience with this, so it was quite a bit of a challenge, but we managed to do it safely, and I would just recommend either hiring somebody if you're not comfortable with any sort of electrical work, or making sure that you do some research and just are really sure of what every step that you're doing is. end of the video, and I'm gonna do some final shots here to reveal how everything turned out and what it looks like in my bedroom. I really love the way that it came together, and please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Yeah, I think I nailed it. So this was a total success. I have another video coming up with a mirror DIY project, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.